Autodata versus Alldata. Which automotive repair software should you choose? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Autodata and Alldata, two of the most widely used automotive repair information platforms in the world. Whether you're a solo mechanic, run a repair shop, or manage a fleet of maintenance business, choosing the right software can save you time, improve accuracy, and boost customer trust. Now let's dive in. We'll kick things off by looking at what is Autodata. Autodata is a cloud-based repair information software that provides technical data, diagnosis, and maintenance for cars and light commercial vehicles. It's widely used in Europe and focuses on simplicity and speed, helping mechanics quickly assess wiring diagrams, torque settings, service intervals, and DTCs, diagnosis trouble codes. Autodata is known for its intuitive design, fast updates, and coverage of over 40,000 models from 142 manufacturers. Now let's take a look at Alldata. Alldata is a repair database and diagnosis tool that's incredibly popular in the United States and Canada. It offers OEM repair information straight from manufacturers, including step-by-step procedures and technical service bulletins, wiring diagrams, labor times, and more. Alldata also integrates with shop management tools and is perfect for repair shops that want deep access to manufacturer-level documentation. Now, if we were to talk about the key differences of both platforms, for instance, region focus, when it comes on to Autodata, it is popular in Europe, Australia, and other international markets, while Alldata, on the other hand, dominates in North America with US-based OEM data. And if we were to compare them via user interface and speed, Alldata is functional but a bit more traditional in design and more info-dense, while Autodata, on the other hand, is clean and modern and easy for new users to navigate. And also, if we were to compare them via data sources, Autodata is a licensed technical data, curated and simplified, while Alldata, on the other hand, is direct OEM repair information, unfiltered and highly detailed. And if we were to talk about vehicle coverage, Alldata is best for US, Canadian, and some Asian domestic models, while Autodata, on the other hand, focuses on European and Asian vehicles with global coverage. Now let's talk about their features and comparison. For instance, with Autodata, you'll be getting features like interactive wiring diagrams, step-by-step service guides, DTC troubleshooting, service schedules, fuse box layouts, and OEM-based labor estimates, while Alldata, on the other hand, will be providing you with features like factory repair procedures, OEM wiring diagrams, and TSBs and recalls, labor guide, diagnosis, trouble code assistance, and integrated shop management if using Alldata Manage. And if we were to compare them via ease of use, Alldata is better suited for technicians who need comprehensive manufacturer-specific detail, which can be more complex but more accurate, while Autodata, on the other hand, is designed to be simple and fast with a few clicks to get exactly what you need. It's great for independent mechanics. Now let's break down their pricing. When it comes on to Autodata, you can get started for $1. As you can see right there, you can try them out for $1. And in the future, if you want, you could also fill out this form and you could get more information, as you can see there. And when it comes on to Alldata, as you can see here, their pricing varies depending on the module that you want. And it typically starts off at $199 per month for a single user, and discounts for multiple bays or shops, and it offers Alldata Manage as an add-on for shop workflow. So in conclusion, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Alldata if you service US domestic vehicles and need deep OEM repair documentation and want the most accurate manufacturer approved steps and wiring. While on the other hand, I would recommend you choose Autodata if you work with European or global vehicles and need quick access to reliable info and want something user-friendly and budget-friendly.